Hey there, I'm Christian, and today we're talking about affirmations for grounding. Grounding is a coping strategy that helps to connect us to the here and now and get us in touch with our bodies and surroundings. For our first affirmation, let's repeat the following phrase using our best voice. This is the voice I want to use. Let's be clear that your best voice can be whatever sound you can muster at the time with energy or aiming towards the goals that you've been working on with your teacher. The most important thing is that you say the words with confidence and energy. Let's try it together 3 times. This is the voice I want to use. This is the voice I want to use. This is the voice I want to use. For the next affirmation, let's use a poem. Today we'll use the first 2 lines of Maggie and Millie and Molly and May by E.E. Cummings. It's great for activating that forward M sound, but you can choose any poem that you like to recite. Let's try it 2 times through together. I'll be pitching myself around an A3 if you're following along with a pitched instrument. Maggie and Millie and Molly and May went down to the beach to play one day. Maggie and Millie and Molly and May went down to the beach to play one day. The last affirmation is also a few lines of another poem. The poem we'll use now are the first 2 lines of In Time of Silver Rain by Langston Hughes. Try it with me 3 times in a row. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and the bell for notifications for more videos like these. I'll see y'all in the next video.